Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Internet in India. Internet in India began in 1986 and was available only to the educational and research community. It was publicly available from 15th August 1995. As of 2020, there are 718.74 million active Internet users that comprise 54.29% of the population. As of May 2014, the Internet is delivered to India mainly by 9 different undersea fibers, including SEAME V3, Bay of Bengal Gateway, Europe India Gateway, arriving at 5 different landing points. India also has one overland internet connection at the city of Agartala near the border with Bangladesh. The Indian government has embarked on projects such as BharatNet, Digital India, Made in India, and Startup India to further expedite the growth of internet-based ecosystems. The history of Internet in India began with the launch of the Educational Research Network in 1986. The network was made available only to educational and research communities. ARNet was initiated by the Department of Electronics with funding from the Government of India and United Nations Development Programme (UNDP), involving 8 premier institutions as participating agencies: NCST Bombay, Indian Institute of Science, 5 Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, Mumbai, Kanpur, Kharagpur and Chennai, and the DOE in New Delhi. ARNet began as a multi-protocol network with both the TCP IP and the OSI IP protocol stacks running over the leased line portion of the backbone. Since 1995, however, almost all traffic is carried over TCP/IP. The first leased line of 9.6 kbps was installed in January 1991 between Delhi and Mumbai. ARNet was allotted Class B IP address 144.16 by Inter-NIC in 1990. Subsequently, Class C addresses were allotted to ARNet by EPNIC. All IITs, IICs Bangalore, DOE Delhi and NCST Mumbai were connected by 9.6 kbps leased line by 1992. In the same year, 64 kbps Internet Gateway link was commissioned from NCST Mumbai to UUNet in Virginia, United States. NICNet was established in 1995 for communications between government institutions. The network was operated by the National Informatics Center. The first publicly available internet service in India was launched by state-owned Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited (VSNL). On 15th August 1995. At the time, VSNL had a monopoly over international communications in the country and private enterprise was not permitted in the sector. The, the Internet service, known as the Gateway Internet Access Service, provided a speed of 9.6 gigabits speed and was priced at $160 for 250 hours for individuals, $500 for institutional dial-up SLIP PPP accounts and higher for leased line services. GIS was available immediately from Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. It was made available in Pune and Bangalore by the end of 1995, while users from other locations could connect through the Department of Telecommunications, iNet and X25 network accessed through leased lines or at a concessional dial-up rate from almost anywhere. Thank you.